From warehouse shelves to the customer's doorstep, an LMS keeps every step of logistics in sync.
Without it, companies face misplaced stock, inefficient transport, and distribution delays that frustrate customers.
But with an LMS, businesses cut errors, speed up delivery, and make the entire supply chain more reliable.
Here's how. In warehouses, LMS improves picking, packing, and stock visibility. In transportation, it optimizes carrier selection and routing. In distribution, it ensures products move quickly to the right locations. For example, a retailer using LMS can track stock in real time and automatically route trucks to avoid delays.
LMS isn't just software. It's the control tower that makes warehouse, transport, and distribution work together flawlessly.